November 16, 2024 to 7-8 to PM result. Congrats to all winners. Special card 2-8 all positive combination. Yes, subscribe my YouTube channel naman sir. Okay na tayo kung special pairing around 8-0 saka 4-8 ito tapos nito ano 28 cards. So ngayon dito na to sa kung eskalera guys dito pwede to pantayan na ito yung apa at special combination pang pangkalagkalag guys pantayan namin kami ng bahala nito guys base lang kayo sa ganahan guys mag-base lang mo sa pairing guys 0 at saka 4-8 okay lock guys paabot na guys 9 to 9 pm to hindi lumabas balik ka to bukas all doors guys okay bye bye punta tayo pagtuwin dito guys.